የአሜሪካው ፕሬዝዳንት ምን ገጠማቸው? በትላንትናው ዕለት በዋሽንግተን ዲሲ በሚገኘው ዋሽንግተን ሂልተን ሆቴል በተካሄደው ዓመታዊ የዋይት ሃውስ ጋዜጠኞች ራት ዋይት ሃውስ ኮሬስፖንደንስ ዲነር ላይ ያልተጠበቀና አስደንጋጭ የጸጥታ ችግር ተከስቷል።
We heard there was some noise going on. The president has now left, as you can see. Everybody has left the stand. The president is now out of the premises. We saw Secret Service swarm an area very close to my table where I was sitting, and there was a man who was escorted out with their team. It's unclear what the situation is right now. We have stopped eating dinner. Everybody is sleeping. We can't understand what's going on. Administration officials there were no longer here at the dinner. They were at the stage moments ago, but we were all on the ground. We're under the table for at least several minutes.
So there seems to be some sort of a shooting, or certainly shots, what appear to be shots fired at the White House Correspondents' Dinner. It's just gone. 20 to 9. The president's been moved out of the area. Seems to be what looked like Secret Service making their way through to the center of the area now. The president was sitting up on the main podium up there a few moments ago. He's been moved out by the looks of it.
ፕሬዚዳንት ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ንግግራቸውን ለማድረግ በተዘጋጁበት ወቅት በሆቴሉ መግቢያ አካባቢ በተተኮሰ ጥይት ምክንያት ከስፍራው በአስቸኳይ እንዲወጡ ተደርጓል። ይህ አጋጣሚ የተከሰተው ፕሬዝዳንቱና ቀዳማዊት እመቤት ሜላኒያ ትራምፕ በከፍተኛ የመንግስት ባለስልጣናትና ከበርካታ ጋዜጠኞች ጋር በእራት ግብዣው ላይ ባሉበት ወቅት ነበር። በስፍራው የነበሩ ምስክሮች እንደገለጹት 5 ያህል ተከታታይ የተኩስ ድምጾች የተሰሙ ሲሆን በወቅቱ የነበረው ድባብ ወዲያውኑ ወደ ድንጋጤና ምስቅልቅል ተቀይሯል።
Wait inside. Wait inside. It's inside. All right. Nobody go this way. Is that understood?
We are evacuating. It's not someone coming in.
What happened?
We're trying to identify it now.
Where was the shooter?
Somewhere out there.
In the lobby? In the lobby? We didn't know at first, but then we heard from our own security that they heard shots fired. And now we do have Secret Service telling us, obviously I want to know this is only one Secret Service member, but a member of security is here telling us that there is a shooter, and now we are kind of basically locked inside the ballroom. But basically they were saying everyone's okay. They have not identified the shooter yet, but obviously it shows you this was not some kind of false threat, that obviously something had happened and they rushed the entire administration off stage. At the beginning of the dinner, everyone's just kind of seated, having their meal, and within moments, armed Secret Service is running in with massive guns. I mean, maybe dozens, and a silence just went over the room as they ran in. Everyone ducked, got on the floor, people were underneath tables. No one knew what was going on. And for a second, the president actually was not evacuated off stage. I looked, he was sitting still right there. A Secret Service was coming in down the hallway.
በሆቴሉ ውስጥ የነበሩ እንግዶች ራሳቸውን ለመከላከል በጠረጴዛዎች ስር እንዲደበቁ የተደረገ ሲሆን የፕሬዝዳንቱ የጥበቃ ቡድን ዘ ሴክሬት ሰርቪስ ፕሬዝዳንቱን በፍጥነት ከክፍሉ እንዲወጡ አድርገዋል። ድርጊቱ የተፈጸመው በሆቴሉ የጸጥታ መፈተሻ አካባቢ ሲሆን ጥቃቱን የሰነዘረው ግለሰብ በጠመንጃ በሽጉጥና በቢላዎች የታጠቀ እንደነበር ፖሊስ አስታውቋል። ግለሰቡ በጸጥታ ቁጥጥር ስር ከመዋሉ በፊት ከአንድ የጥበቃ አባል ጋር የተኩስ ልውውጥ ያደረገ ሲሆን ጥይት የተኮሰበት የጥበቃ አባልም በለበሰው የጥይት መከላከያ ልብስ ምክንያት ከከፋ ጉዳት ተርፏል። ጥቃቱን የሰነዘረው ግለሰብ ኮል ቶማስ አለን የተባለ የ31 ዓመት የካሊፎርኒያ ነዋሪ መሆኑ የተረጋገጠ ሲሆን በኤፍቢአይ እና በዲሲ ፖሊስ ቁጥጥር ስር ውሎ ምርመራ እየተደረገበት ይገኛል። ከጥቂት ሰዓታት በኋላ ፕሬዝዳንት ትራምፕ ከዋይት ሃውስ በሰጡት መግለጫ ስለ ሁኔታው ማብራሪያ ሰጥተዋል። ፕሬዝዳንቱ በመግለጫቸው መጀመሪያ ላይ የተሰማው ድምጽ ትሪ የወደቀ መስሏቸው እንደነበር ገልጸው ሆኖም ሁኔታው የከፋ መሆኑ ሲታወቅ የጥበቃ አባላቱ በወሰዱት ፈጣን እርምጃ ምስጋና አቅርበዋል። ጥቃት የሚሰነዘርብህ ተጽዕኖ ፈጣሪ ስትሆን ነው፣ ምንም ተጽዕኖ ከሌለ ማንም አይነካም በማለት የተናገሩት ትራምፕ ግለሰቡን የአእምሮ በሽተኛ በማለት ጠርተውታል። በተጨማሪም እንዲህ ያሉ የጸጥታ ችግሮችን ለመከላከል በዋይት ሃውስ ውስጥ ዘመናዊና አስተማማኝ የሆነ የኳስ አዳራሽ ወይም ደግሞ ቦልሩም መገንባት አስፈላጊ መሆኑን በድጋሚ አንስተዋል።
It's always shocking when something like this happens. Happened to me a little bit, and that never changes. The fact we were sitting right next to each other, the First Lady on my right, and I heard a noise and sort of thought it was a tray. I thought it was a tray going down. You know, I've heard that many times, and it was a pretty loud noise. And it was from quite far away. He hadn't breached the area at all. They really got him. But so it was quite far away, but it was a gun. And some people really understood that pretty quickly. Other people didn't. I was watching to see what was happening. Probably should have gone down even faster. Melania was very cognizant, I think, of what happened. I think she knew immediately what happened. She was saying, "It's a bad noise," and we were whisked away along with other people, but we were really whisked away. And again, the performance of the Secret Service and the police, all of the law enforcement, I thought was really good. So it was very quick. There wasn't a lot of time to be thinking, because it was a matter of seconds before we were out the door and gone into an area.
የዋይት ሃውስ ጋዜጠኞች ማህበር ፕሬዝዳንት ዌጂያ ጃንግ በበኩላቸው ዝግጅቱ ለጊዜው መቋረጡንና በሌላ ጊዜ እንደሚካሄድ አስታውቀዋል። ሌሎች የመንግስት ባለስልጣናትና ተቃዋሚ ፖለቲከኞችም ድርጊቱን ያወገዙ ሲሆን በተለይ የጥበቃ አባላቱ ላሳዩት ጀግንነት አድናቆታቸውን ገልጸዋል። ይህ ክስተት ከ2024 ወዲህ በፕሬዝዳንት ትራምፕ ላይ የተቃጣ ሶስተኛው የግድያ ሙከራ መሰል ጥቃት በመሆኑ በሀገሪቱ የጸጥታ ጥበቃ ዙሪያ አዳዲስ ውይይቶችን ቀስቅሷል። ውድ የሳሚ ቲዩብ ቻናል ተከታታዮች ለዛሬ ያዝንላችሁ መረጃ ይህንን ይመስል ነበር። ታዲያ እንደተለመደው ቪዲዮውን ላይክ ማድረግ እንዳይረሳ፣ አዲስ ሆናችሁ የምትከታተሉ ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ቤተሰብ እንዲሆኑ ጋብዛለን። ጤና ይስጥልን።